Very warm welcome to all of you. And I'll probably won't take too much time here. Just request Tanvi, who's going to speak a few words. And I guess soon thereafter we'll just do the cake cutting and request all of you to take a quick bite thereafter. Tanvi, you okay?
Hello everybody, I'm here to speak a few things. I've written down a few things. I just may not remember something, so please allow me to cheat. Today, as you all know, we're here to celebrate the 90th birthday of my great-grandmother, Mrs. Shakuntala Manjal. If I start describing her, I can go on for days. Though I've known her for a little less than 13 years, I can say with conviction that she's a great personality. She's a perfect example of a fighter, a different kind of a fighter, someone who's never fought in her life but is still a fighter to the core. It's impossible to describe her only in a few minutes, but I'm still going to try and give it a shot. Hardly have I seen anyone her age who's so fit, physically and more importantly, mentally. People half her age cannot do the things she is doing at 90. She's seen many ups and downs in life, but she's always moved on, and that's something I've always liked. It would be very appropriate to say that she's lived life in its true sense. Whenever you see her, she's always itching to do something, helping someone out. She's also very patient, and you never see her sitting idle. She's doing something, like it can be knitting sweaters, reading the newspaper, watching TV, or even writing little notes in her diary. That's so sweet. And about her mental agility, the fact that she can still do work in the kitchen, she can open the door to people, she stays home all day, all by herself, and that is something which is very difficult to do, but she's done it, and very happy that she has. And she's very enthusiastic about whatever she does. She's also fiercely independent. If given a choice, she'd rather do everything herself, her way, to the extent possible. Whenever you go to meet her, she always makes you feel very comfortable and makes you feel at home. But above all, she's a very loving and a very affectionate person. She loves to bond with people, meet relatives, and she's very social. And she makes her presence felt through her serene personality. Happy birthday, Badi Dadi, and we wish you a healthy and happy life.
Happy birthday, Badi Dadi. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Thank you.
मैं चाची जी का भतीजा हूँ। हम पूरी दुनिया को दो नजर से देखते हैं। एक कान से देखते हैं, आँख के जरिए। कान के जरिए गंदी बातें भी सुनते हैं, कान के जरिए अच्छी बातें भी सुनते हैं। हमारी चाची जी का गुण क्या है? अगर वो कान के जरिए गंदी बात सुनती हैं तो आप लोग मानेंगे नहीं, मैंने अपनी आंखों से देखा उनको, वो मुस्कुरा रही हैं। मैंने थोड़ा पीछे देखा, मैंने कहा ये तो गंदी बात है, ये तो गंदी बात सुन रही है और मुस्कुरा रही है, बात क्या है? तो मैंने उनका कोमल हृदय देखा, उनका कोमल हृदय मुस्कुरा रहा था, उनके कोमल हृदय को वो गंदी बात टच ही नहीं कर रही थी। और इसी तरह एक बात मैंने उनको गंदी बात सुनते हुए भी देखा, कोई फर्क नहीं, उनके कोमल हृदय को वो गंदी बात टच ही नहीं कर रही। यही कारण है कि इनकी इतनी बड़ी उम्र है। हैप्पी बर्थडे माई चाची जी।
Dolly, give it to mom to say a few words.
Tanmay, that was beautiful. Mommy, here's.
मेरे से तो आवाज ये नहीं आती। मैं आप सबका धन्यवाद करती हूँ और बहुत खुशी हो रही है मेरे को।
Thank you, Mommy. Tanvi beautifully explained her life. I would like to share what she meant. She has been, everybody that I know talks about her with a lot of love, because all she has to offer is love, love, and love. And I'm proud to be her daughter. Thank you. Not for addresses, for your messages, and for Mommy to remember who all came. All right, and now we're going to cut the cake. And if everybody wants to join us singing,
Where is Priya? Priya?
Tanvi.
Happy long life to you. Happy long life, dear Gigi. Happy long life to you.
May God bless you. We pray.
Dolly, Chino. Didi, ज़्यादा मीठा नहीं खिलाना, थोड़ा थोड़ा।
और नहीं चलेगा ना इसके बाद
County and the mouth. You put the 90 the wrong way. No, it's fine. It's fine now? Okay. I could see the white side. Beautiful, huh? Jao, khilao. Very. Chocolate खिलानी।
ज़्यादा मीठा नहीं खिलाना।
Give it to me. Here, give her a napkin. Give her a napkin.
थोड़ा सा इधर फेस करो ना, इधर फेस तो करो।
Bus. Let's not feed her anymore. Let's not. Everybody can go. Don't feed her anymore, please. From one diabetic to the other. We are making.
बहुत अच्छा लगा भी शामिल हो गया।
Sorry, I'm going to take this away. Look a picture of this.
Thank you.
हाँ जी, आपसे मैंने अभी हगी ली नहीं है, लेनी है। कुछ कहना है आपको इस मौके पे?
नहीं पूछ रही कब आए कब
नहीं, पर आपने बहुत अपना मौका मिस कर दिया। आप ज़रा हिंदी में अच्छी तरह से बोल सकती हैं, टिप्पणी दीजिए कि ये कितनी लेट आई हैं।
अच्छा बेबी के पास भी गई थी?
बेबी कहाँ है?
बेबी उधर बेबी के पास भी गई थी। You know who's come? You have friends now.
I need somebody to take this. कहाँ है विक्रम? कहाँ है? Somebody, can you do me this honor and favor? थोड़ा सा